Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a deeper dive into the products that promise to make your beauty routine a little bit easier and a lot more effective. Today, we're talking about Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Deep Conditioner. If you're tired of dealing with brittle, breakage-prone curls that just won't grow, this might be the product you've been waiting for. Stick around to see if it lives up to its promises of length retention, strength, and shine. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Let's get into it. Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Deep Conditioner is a nourishing, moisturizing treatment designed to strengthen and protect curly hair. With its blend of biotin and cocoa butter, this product promises to address common hair concerns like breakage, brittleness, and split ends. It's sulfate and silicone free, making it suitable for all curly hair patterns, from 1A to 4C, and it works to restore elasticity and shine. The formula is designed to deeply penetrate the hair fibers, nourishing them from root to tip for healthier, longer hair. It's also free from harsh chemicals, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your curls. Now let's talk about my experience using this product. After using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Shampoo, I applied this deep conditioner as instructed, making sure to work it in from roots to tips. The texture of the conditioner is creamy but not too thick, making it easy to distribute through my curls. It's got that signature cocoa butter scent, which I personally love. It's rich but not overpowering. I left it on for about 5 minutes, though if you're really looking to maximize hydration, you can always add a shower cap and apply heat for deeper penetration. Once I rinsed it out, my hair felt immediately softer and more manageable. The shine was noticeable, and I didn't experience the usual tangling that can happen after conditioning. My curls felt hydrated and nourished with less frizz than usual. And here's the best part. After a few uses, I noticed my curls were looking more defined and less prone to breakage, which is exactly what this product promises. In terms of pros, Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Deep Conditioner definitely delivers on softness and shine. It's a great product for anyone with curly hair who needs that extra boost of hydration without the risk of weighing hair down. Plus, it's free of sulfates and silicones, which makes it a more natural option for those who like to keep their routine clean. The scent is lovely and not too overwhelming, and the price is very reasonable for the size. As for cons, the only drawback I noticed was that if you're looking for a really intense salon-grade treatment, you might want to try a more concentrated product. While this conditioner works well for everyday hydration, if you're dealing with extremely dry or damaged curls, you may need to layer it with something stronger on occasion. Now let's talk value for money. At 8.5 ounces, it's priced affordably, especially considering how much product you get and how well it works for curly hair. Given the natural ingredients and the reputation of Palmer's, I would say this is a solid investment for anyone looking to maintain healthy, hydrated curls without breaking the bank. It's effective, and you're definitely getting your money's worth. If you're in the market for something similar, but a little more high-end, you could check out brands like Shea Moisture or Ouidad, but be prepared to pay a bit more. That being said, Palmer's does an excellent job at balancing quality with affordability, making it a great option for those who want great hair without the high price tag. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and easy to use. The conditioner comes in a squeezable tube, which I appreciate because it makes it easy to get out just the right amount of product without wasting any. The formula itself is rich and creamy, so a little goes a long way. Now, if you're wondering about customer service, I've never had any issues with Palmer's. Their reputation is solid, and they've been around for over 180 years, creating trusted beauty and skincare solutions. They're known for their responsiveness to customer inquiries and issues, which is always a positive when you're investing in a product. To wrap things up, Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention Deep Conditioner is a fantastic choice for anyone with curly hair who wants to nourish, hydrate, and strengthen their strands. It's effective, affordable, and made with natural ingredients, making it a must-try for anyone looking to improve the health and manageability of their curls. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.